practical role play for employee relationship building. So what is practical role play for employee relationship building? So in this, you will be giving training to your employees. How you can give training to your employees based on some situation. You will be giving some hypothetical situation to your employees. So if you give some hypothetical situation to employees, based on that, they have to act. You will be giving some situation to your employees. Based on the situation, they have to act. So out of that, you will be giving some training to your employees. So role play training is the methodology in which participants act out scenarios under the guidance of facilitator. This type of training is useful for employees to build confidence in their abilities to succeed in their jobs. A role play training helps to prepare employees for difficult or unfamiliar work situation. Based on the performance, the facilitator gives us valuable feedback and suggestion to the participants. So, as I said, an hypothetical situation will be given to the employees, and they have to perform. They have to perform that hypothetical situation, or as a trainer, you will be giving some situation to the employees who is participating in the training session. So the participants, they have to perform that situation. As a trainer of that session, you can give some suggestion, valuable suggestion, so that they will take some input, so that they will get some learnings about, they will get some learning out of the training which you are providing. So it will build the confidence level among the employees. Next is benefit of role play. So participants learn to deal difficult situation together. Employee becomes well prepared to handle real life situation, monitor employee skill level and identify their strengths and weaknesses. Employee can easily understand the customer point of view and develop empathy. So if you have a role play training in your organization, what are all the benefits if you have the role play training in your organization? The first thing is participants, that is the employees, will learn to solve problems of difficult situation. If say for example, an employee is working in a production department. In the production department, some difficult problem has arisen. So if you give some role play training, means if you already given some training session of that particular situation, means the employee will learn how to solve the problems or how to solve the difficult situations. And it will that is the same role play training or situation training, they will apply in the real life. Okay, so once the role play training is given to the employees, they will know their strength and weaknesses. What is their strength area and what is their weakness area, and employees can easily understand customer. Once they are given role play training, means they will read the mind of the customers, so that they will act according to the mindset of the customers. Next is conducting the role play. How you can conduct the role play training? First one is describing a hypothetical issue that may appear during their job. As a trainer of that role play training, you have to describe a hypothetical situation. Like what you, as an employee in the organization, what is your act if some kind of situation has arisen? So you will be giving some hypothetical situation to your employees. You have to create the scenario, provide specific details to make the role play session as realistic as possible. So you have to create the situation. Next is assign role play to participants for various fictional characters. So it is not necessary that as a trainer of the session, you have to assign the participants. If you give, say for example, you are conducting some training session to three departments. One is sales, one is production, and another one is warehouse department. So three departments you are giving some training. So you can shuffle the employees. Five. You can group the employees into 5 members, and you can shuffle the employees. Shuffle the employees means sales and production department. They can come together. Production and the warehouse department, they can come together. So likewise, you can shuffle the employees and you can group the employees into 5 members. For 5 members, you will be giving some situation. They can assign the characters among themselves. So like that, you can give the training to your employees. Ask the participant to create different strategies and develop innovative solution for resolving the situation. So if you give some situation means you can ask the employees to come up with different plan and how they can solve the issue. Facilitator, as a facilitator of the or as a trainer of the particular training session, you can also suggest some valuable solution for the employees. Next is participants learn social dynamics that relate to the work situation and how they can address it in a real life. So if you provide some role play situation training to the employees, they will know the social changes, or they will know how to handle these problem in the organization as well as in the real life.